Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the simplicity and functionality of wooden crafts project ideas by showing you more than 80 different wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In a world increasingly characterized by complexity and distraction, the embrace of simplicity and functionality in design has emerged as a powerful antidote, particularly within the realm of wooden crafts. The natural beauty and versatility of wood make it an ideal material for crafting projects that prioritize both aesthetic appeal and practical utility. This dual focus on simplicity and functionality allows artisans to create pieces that are not only visually striking but also serve essential roles in everyday life, transforming spaces into environments that are both inviting and efficient. The beauty of wooden crafts lies in their ability to embody the essence of simplicity, where each piece is thoughtfully designed to fulfill a specific purpose without unnecessary embellishments or distractions. This approach resonates deeply with individuals seeking to cultivate a sense of peace and clarity in their homes, providing a tangible connection to nature while emphasizing the importance of practicality in our daily lives. At the heart of any wooden craft project lies the fundamental principle of functionality. Wooden items can be designed to serve a variety of purposes, from storage solutions to furniture, all while maintaining a clean and simple aesthetic. For instance, a handcrafted wooden bench can effortlessly transition from a functional seating area to a surface for placing bags or books, showcasing the inherent versatility of wood. This adaptability is particularly appealing in modern living spaces, where multifunctionality is key. By prioritizing simplicity in design, artisans can create pieces that seamlessly blend into various settings, enhancing the overall living experience without overwhelming it. A minimalist wooden table, for example, can serve as a dining surface, a work desk, or a gathering space for family and friends, demonstrating how simplicity and functionality can work hand in hand to create meaningful and useful items. The crafting process itself often emphasizes simplicity, guiding artisans to focus on the inherent qualities of the wood they are working with. Each type of wood possesses its own unique characteristics, from grain patterns to color variations, and this natural beauty can be accentuated through thoughtful design. By stripping away unnecessary elements, artisans can highlight the wood's organic features, creating pieces that resonate with the principles of simplicity. A well-crafted wooden bowl, for instance, may feature smooth curves and an unadorned surface that draws the eye to the wood's rich texture and warmth. This focus on the material allows for a deeper appreciation of the craftsmanship involved, as each piece becomes a celebration of the wood itself, inviting individuals to connect with both the artisan and nature. Moreover, the integration of wooden crafts into everyday life fosters a sense of mindfulness and intentionality in how we interact with our possessions. In a society often cluttered with distractions, the simplicity of wooden items encourages individuals to slow down and appreciate the functionality they bring to our lives. A handcrafted wooden cutting board can elevate the act of cooking into a more enjoyable experience, reminding us of the beauty of the process and the importance of using quality materials. By choosing to surround ourselves with thoughtfully designed wooden crafts, we cultivate an environment that promotes a sense of calm and clarity, allowing us to focus on what truly matters in our daily routines. This connection to simplicity and functionality becomes a guiding principle in our lives, encouraging us to prioritize quality experiences over the accumulation of unnecessary possessions. The versatility of wooden crafts also allows for creative expressions that align with the principles of simplicity and functionality. Artisans can experiment with various forms and designs, creating pieces that are not only practical but also visually appealing. For example, a set of wooden nesting tables can serve as both accent furniture and functional surfaces that can be easily tucked away when not in use. This adaptability reflects the essence of simplicity, as each piece serves a distinct purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic of the space. By embracing the idea that less can be more, artisans can design items that enhance the livability of our environments without overwhelming our senses. This design philosophy resonates with individuals seeking harmony in their living spaces, where each item plays a vital role in creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. In addition to their aesthetic and functional qualities, wooden crafts often evoke a sense of nostalgia and connection to tradition. Many artisans draw upon age-old techniques and craftsmanship, infusing their work with a sense of history and continuity. This connection to tradition adds depth to the simplicity of wooden crafts, as each piece carries with it the knowledge and skills passed down through generations. For instance, a handcrafted wooden rocking chair not only serves as a comfortable seating option but also represents a connection to the past, evoking memories of family gatherings and shared moments. This emotional resonance enhances the overall experience of incorporating wooden crafts into our lives, allowing us to appreciate the simplicity of design while also recognizing the stories and traditions that inform each piece. The focus on functionality in wooden crafts also aligns with a growing awareness of sustainability and environmental responsibility. As individuals become more conscious of their impact on the planet, the choice of materials and crafting methods takes on greater significance. Wood, when sourced responsibly, can be a sustainable option that minimizes environmental harm. Artisans who prioritize reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood not only create beautiful pieces, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. This commitment to sustainability enhances the simplicity of wooden crafts, as each item becomes a testament to the values of mindfulness and environmental stewardship. By choosing to invest in handcrafted wooden items, individuals support artisans who share their commitment to simplicity and functionality, fostering a deeper connection to the materials and the world around them. Furthermore, the emotional connection that wooden crafts foster enhances their appeal within the framework of simplicity and functionality. Each piece is imbued with the artisan's skill and dedication, creating an emotional resonance that transcends mere utility. When individuals incorporate handcrafted wooden items into their living spaces, they often find themselves forming a relationship with these pieces, valuing them not just for their functionality but for the stories they tell and the craftsmanship they embody. A beautifully crafted wooden shelf can become a cherished place for displaying family photos, while a simple wooden bowl may hold memories of shared meals and gatherings. This emotional connection reinforces the idea that simplicity and functionality are not merely about aesthetics, but also about creating meaningful experiences within our homes. As individuals embrace minimalism, the importance of mindfulness in their crafting and purchasing decisions becomes increasingly evident. Wooden crafts encourage this mindfulness, inviting individuals to consider the impact of their choices on their living spaces and the environment. Engaging in the process of crafting or selecting wooden items can serve as a reminder to slow down and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. This mindfulness extends beyond the crafting process, influencing how individuals interact with their living spaces and the items they choose to incorporate into their homes. By cultivating a mindset of intentionality, individuals can create environments that foster peace and clarity, aligning perfectly with the principles of minimalism. The adaptability of wooden crafts to a minimalist approach also allows for creative expression within the confines of simplicity. While minimalism often emphasizes clean lines and uncomplicated forms, there is ample opportunity for artisans to explore unique designs that still adhere to minimalist principles. A striking wooden sculpture or an intricately carved piece can serve as a statement item in an otherwise understated space, providing a focal point that draws the eye without overwhelming the senses. This interplay between simplicity and creativity showcases the versatility of wood as a medium, allowing for artistic exploration that remains rooted in the essence of minimalism. Incorporating wooden crafts into a minimalist lifestyle also encourages individuals to rethink their relationships with their possessions. The emphasis on quality and intentionality fosters a deeper appreciation for the items that fill our homes. Rather than viewing possessions as mere objects, individuals begin to see them as extensions of their values and experiences. This shift in perspective can lead to a more meaningful engagement with one's living space, where every piece is cherished and valued for its contribution to the overall environment. The emotional connection to wooden crafts reinforces the idea that minimalism is not about deprivation, but rather about celebrating the beauty and significance of what we choose to keep in our lives. The adaptability of wooden crafts to a minimalist approach highlights the profound impact that thoughtful design and intentional living can have on our environments. By embracing the principles of minimalism, individuals can create spaces that prioritize functionality, sustainability, and emotional resonance, all while celebrating the beauty of handcrafted wooden items. The ability of wood to convey warmth and authenticity makes it an ideal choice for those seeking to cultivate a serene and inviting atmosphere in their homes. Through mindful crafting and thoughtful curation, individuals can foster connections to the natural world and to each other, creating living spaces that reflect their values and enhance their well-being.